If you are also tired of manually applying for jobs and writing endless cover letters, this will change everything. I have built an AI agent right here in the Cursor IDE that completely automates the whole process. I have created it with the help of MCP, which is also known as Model Context Protocol, and which allows it to connect seamlessly with the LinkedIn and mail. And watch this, with just one simple command, I can tell it to get all my LinkedIn details, generate a custom cover letter for any company, and send the entire application via Gmail. So before starting this, I will show you my LinkedIn account. So this is my LinkedIn account, and what I have did is I have connected this account as well as my mail with the MCP. Okay, and now what I'll do is I'll just tell my AI agent to fetch all the data and information from my LinkedIn account, and then he will generate a cover letter and apply for a job too and send everything to the HR. So with this easy prompt, a simple prompt, each and everything will be carried seamlessly. So let's see. Like, I'm entering this prompt here, get my details from LinkedIn, apply for a job at a company name, so I'm trying for Google, and write a short cover letter and send everything to. After this section is for the mail, like to which person we have to mail, we have to insert the mail ID there. So let me insert this mail ID here, like I'm gonna mail to this person. Okay, so as you can see, just two lines. Okay, just two lines, and each and everything will be carried on very much easily and in just few minutes. So let me click on this send and let's see what happens. So as you can see, it's generating. Finally it has called and tool called LinkedIn get current member profile, so I have to just click on run tool. So finally he has fetched my data, and also he's confirming the Google search, like I'm applying for Google, so he's gathering the info about that company. And as you can see, in just few minutes he has given me each and everything. Like, he has also fetched my details, he has generated the sample cover letter with subject and with all the stuff aligned to my information which he has fetched. So as you can see, in just few seconds, you can see this has carried on each and every different task which might take plenty of hours, even much more hours to complete, right? So he is doing at least 4 to 5 tasks in a single go. So as you can see, you can even edit the sample cover letter. Okay, so finally now each and everything is done. What I'll do is now I'll just simply click on this again run tool, and the mail will be delivered to the given address. So as you can see, your email with your LinkedIn details and the cover letter has been successfully sent to that mail. So now let me check my mail. This is my personal mail, and you can see it has been sent, right? Subject is also been provided. Each and everything has been sent. Like, yes, you can edit this cover stuff. Okay, each and every content you see here is editable, but the main thing was to showcase my AI agent, like it is performing 3 to 4 tasks in just few minutes. And I hope that this AI agent information was much more valuable for you. Thanks a lot.